Showtime Pettis.
You can keep dreaming, but I'm not so
Anthony Pettis refers to his fighting style as controlled chaos. And he landed the kick heard around the mixed martial arts world in 2010 to defeat Benson Henderson and be the last WEC lightweight champion. Still dangerous today in so many ways. Anthony Pettis is looking for some showtime tonight.
Anthony Pettis is one of the most flashy but yet effective fighters in the sport today. His Taekwondo techniques combined with Muay Thai and his outstanding ground game make him one of the elite fighters in the lightweight division.
Born and raised in Dagestan, Russia, KHABIB Nurmagomedov. He won titles twice in the Russian combat rankings, also a two-time world Sambo champion. One of the best takedown artists that we have ever seen compete in the octagon. The Eagle, KHABIB Nurmagomedov.
This guy has some of the best guard passing in all of mixed martial arts. His technique and the speed of his execution is outstanding.
KHABIB Nurmagomedov is set to go toe-to-toe with Anthony Showtime Pettis. Our tale of the tape for this lightweight fight. Pettis is 2 years his elder. He will have a 3-inch reach advantage. And once again, here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a Taekwondo fighter, holding a professional record of 19 wins, 5 losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the former UFC lightweight champion, Anthony Showtime Pettis! And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record of 23 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, KHABIB the Eagle Nurmagomedov. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Dan Mergliata.
Dan Mergliata, our referee for this lightweight bout, here tonight in New York City. And here we go. Tonight's fight is scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Pettis, black trunks for Nurmagomedov.
Anthony Pettis is one of the best kickers in mixed martial arts today. He has excellent hands as well, but what really shines from Anthony Pettis is his kicking. He also has a very highly underrated submission game. Nice hook to the body.
They are really battling for position in the clinch.
He's got his back. Wow, look at that takedown, man. Oh, there he goes, full mount. There we go. Oh, in reverse. Oh, reversal.
Nice sweep, very good movement. He got his hips well enough to get back to half guard.
Excellent sweep.
Really good movement on the ground.
Oh,
Nice right hand.
Big right hand. Secures north-south position. He's got an over and an under here. He's got those double underhooks, Mike, and notice how he's got it right on the floating rib. He's got his hands connected.
Nice leg kick by Nurmagomedov.
Wow, what a back-and-forth exchange. Oh, jumping knee. Big straight punch.
Combination.
Big shots.
Over the top.
Wow, he is throwing some huge kicks here. Beautiful body shot there, too.
Big power jab.
He's teeing off with some vicious shots.
Flying knee.
Oh, hard diving punch.
20 on the clock. And again, he's back into side control. Wow!
Good job, guys. Good job.
They are on their feet.
What an ending to that round. Joe, you and I both thought that fight was over.
Yeah, the referee could have easily stopped it. That was very close to a clean knockout. Let's see if we can get a better look at it from a different angle. And let's look at that from a different angle.
Good, okay? He cannot handle the dominance on the ground. You're controlling everything on the ground. Just be careful when you're on his guard to maintain posture and just...
Brittany gets us set for round number 2. Round 2.
Oh, flying knee. Hurt him with that overhand.
Oh, combination. Oh, man. Another big knee.
Oh, stunning jab. Oh, flying knee. Oh, head kick. Oh, he missed that kick.
Joe, look inside the numbers. Significant strikes landed.
Both men exchanging.
Oh, beautiful combination.
Good pro fighters always move well side to side. Nice block. And counter left.
Flying knee attempt.
Nice inside leg kick by Nurmagomedov.
He's got some nasty bruising on his right outer thigh.
Flying knee.
Oh, and he goes on top with a kick.
Wow.
I like that, Mike. I like how he's mixing it up. Hard straight punch. Oh, that's some wrestling right there.
Just at the midway point of this fight.
Here's a little piece of trivia for folks who don't know. The reason why you're not allowed to do a downward elbow, 12 to 6, is because when they first brought mixed martial arts to athletic commissions, the people in the commission said, well, you can't let someone do that. I saw people break bricks with that on ESPN. In reality, there's really very little difference between a downward elbow or a 45-degree elbow or what have you.
Great position.
Mounted here. In half guard now. Excellent movement on the ground here. Constantly moving, constantly staying busy. Now he's in side control. Moves to north-south.
.45.
He's got double underhooks here.
30 seconds.
Anthony Pettis gets great support every time he fights. Joe, the fans just love showtime. Nice block in the counter left hook by Pettis.
And he looks for the takedown.
That'll do it for round number 2.
There's a nice knee to the head. And here's another knee to the head. And there's one more knee that lands to the head. Incredible highlights in that round.
His last round, continue doing the same thing. He's not able to stop your takedown. Keep doing it, get him to the ground, control, ground and pound.
There's Ariani as we get ready for round 3.
You ready? You ready?
Third and final round. Joe, that was a good round we just saw. It'll be very interesting to see if the fighters can keep this pace, though.
I think they will keep this pace. I think they're actually going to probably start turning it up a notch as we head down the home stretch.
Timing his strikes nicely. Failed attempt.
And a good body kick.
The takedown by Nurmagomedov. Joe, against Abel Trujillo, he set a UFC record with 21 takedowns. Pettis' nose is cut. It's starting to bleed.
He's posturing up here.
Huge elbow from the top.
Good control here.
Nice work from the bottom. He postures up and lands a big shot.
Excellent posture.
Back on their feet. 3 minutes left in the fight. The flying knee.
Looking for another takedown.
Oh, huge suplex.
Oh, looking for his back.
Secure the hooks now. Secure the hook.
He scores with a huge left.
Big ground and pound.
Punches and bunches. He wants the finish.
Huge
Damaging
left shot.
hand.
He's out. He's out.
And it's all over.
Ground and pound knockout.
Time now for our fight replay.
And let's look at the replay and see the end of this fight. This is the huge ground and pound strike that lands for the KO. Check it out again. Watch this again here. Boom! And he's out.
Bruce Buffer has the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Bergliata has called a stop to this contest at 3 minutes of the third round. Declaring the winner by knockout, KHABIB
Khabib, the Eagle, Nurmagomedov wins by knockout.